Hello friends, so are you facing an issue of number not approved on your Google business profile? Yes, your number is not getting approved and you have tried several times but you are not able to find out how to get it done. So in today's video, I'll be sharing complete step-by-step process through which you can get the number approved guys, and in fact it will be a complete manual step-by-step process that you can follow. Apart from that, I'll be sharing two more ways. Still, if your number is not getting approved, you can try these two ways or any one of them and you will surely get your number approved for sure guys, 100% sure. So if you watch the video till end, you will definitely learn all these three ways to get the number approved if you are not getting the number approved guys, because number approval on a Google business profile is very crucial. You have a Google business profile, but if the number is not there, then people won't be able to call you and that will be of no use. You are having lot of traffic, lot of people are visiting on your profile. It's even ranking on top on the keywords of related to your product and services, but still if the number is not there, people won't be able to contact you guys. Also guys, if you are looking for ranking your profile, if your profile is not visible on lot of keywords on web, on Google search guys, then we have an application named as GBPGM app that you can use and you can guys actually get ranking and traffic on your profile. You can rank your profile on the specific keywords and definitely it will boost your business with lot of sales and leads guys. And apart from that guys, we have a blog website, localseotoolsandtips.com. You can go to that and lot of tips related to promoting your profile by yourself, and issues related to profile are also resolved there. Step by step blogs are there, blog posts are there which you can read and you can actually follow them and resolve your issues. So this is the blog website as you can see on my screen, and you can just follow this particular link, local SEO tips, and you can actually get lot of benefit from visiting this website guys. If you have not installed our app, GBPGM app, it has a free version as well guys. You can try with the free version, and if you like, you can actually go with the premium version and take the ranking of your Google business profile to next level. So now we'll start with a step-by-step process to get your number approved. But guys, before starting, I'll like to share few things with you related to number approval. So guys, number approval is basically related to some policy violation, because Google is not allowing duplicate numbers on profiles. That's why number approval has become a big issue these days. But you need not worry, I'll share all the steps. Following that, you can actually get the number surely approved guys. So let's begin. So guys, before starting the actual step-by-step process that I'll demonstrate live on a profile which has not again number approved issue guys is there, and I'll be actually doing it for you step by step. Although these things are done in our company by experts who are domain experts who do these services, actually they are employees of our company and they are our team and they are experts in specific cases like suspension, number approval and all these things. So but I'll show all these things to you for your convenience in this video step by step, whatever is followed by them guys. So before starting it, we should know why number is not approved. That is very important, because till you don't know why number is not approved or is getting disapproved, even if you get it approved, it will start getting disapproved again and again. So you should know the basic root cause. You have to remove that cause and then appeal and get your number approved. It will be a simple process. I'll show you step by step everything guys. So when your number is used in multiple locations, live or suspended, it won't be approved, because Google has a policy now that they allow one number in one location only, guys. They don't allow multiple numbers on multiple locations, guys. And for that, they have even actually communicated this with us. We have received an email several times after communication with Google, and every time they have told this is a policy now they have. You have to have a single number on a single profile. Even if you are having different branches for your business, you need to have a different number for every branch. Google says that in that branch, definitely there must be someone who is looking after that branch and the leads and the calls, so that particular number should be mentioned. If you have a toll free number, guys, then you can mention it as a secondary number, an additional number. You can mention it as a secondary number, guys, but not as a primary number. Primary number is not allowed, guys. It should be a unique number. So this was the first reason. Second is, if anyone reports about your number that your number is not actually getting any responses, guys, and that such report is sent several times to Google, then their bots actually start scanning your profile and they try to call your number. And if within the opening and closing hours they call and it goes no response, maybe 1, 2 or 3 times, not just one time, then definitely they'll get it removed and disapproved, guys. So this is a very important reason, guys. So if you have a number and if you are not actually working on actually receiving all the calls, and try to actually receive calls within the opening and closing hours, else change your opening and closing hours according to the real time when you can actually receive those calls, guys. Third is, the number was earlier used by some other person. Now recently you have purchased that number, or maybe a few days back or months back, but that person has actually added that number in their Google business profile. It still exists there. They have not removed that. That can also be one reason, because Google does not allow duplicate numbers, as I told you earlier. Last thing is, guys, you have a website mentioned in your Google business profile, but there you have mentioned some other number, not the number that you are getting approved on Google business profile. So do check that. And best is if you can get a schema added to your Google business profile. How to add a schema? You can just consult your developer if you need those services. If you don't understand how to add schema to your website, then you can contact us. Our team will help you in very nominal charges. It will be get added to your website. That helps a website to rank as well, guys. So schema must be there, and the number should be the same number as you want on Google business profile. It should be edited there. If not, guys, if you have added multiple numbers, that also become confusing on your website. So try to add one main primary number on the header of the website or on the footer. You can add other numbers in the contact page and making this main number as a first one, guys. So do remember, all these things are very important, because Google scans your website that is mentioned on your Google business profile, and that way it actually checks whether the number is right or not. If they don't find it according to policies, then they can always remove or disapprove it, guys, because Google's business profile is given free of cost by Google to you, and they want a good, best user experience. If their user is not satisfied, they will eliminate that particular thing. So the profile should be authentic and the number should be working. That's very important, guys. So these are the reasons why a number gets disapproved. If you know any other reason what I have mentioned, do comment in the video below. I'll definitely include it in the further videos or courses, guys. So guys, now the point is how to resolve it. It can be resolved, may it be any way that I have mentioned, but it can be resolved. But remember one thing, separate number for separate profile. So separate profile, even if the same business, still it has multiple branches, you need to have different number for different branch. Make it sure, guys. So first point is find a number not used anywhere. If you have already used that numbers multiple times in some suspended profiles that earlier got suspended, or some other profiles you are not having access to those profiles, then you should find a new number. But if you have access to those profiles, then go to those profiles and remove that number immediately. After removing, it may take few days for once Google bot scans it and they find out that this number is no more. So wait for 5 days after removing those numbers. After that, continue with the process that I'll be sharing just now with you. Now you have to update that number on your Google business profile. I'll show you how, and also your website, as I have told you already. Arrange a proof of ownership of number with the same business name and address as in the profile, guys. It should be same, guys, same as we have discussed earlier also in our videos, that what things are there, but I'll still share with you what it should be, guys. The best, if you can get a postpaid bill of your mobile number. If it's not postpaid, it's prepaid, ask your service provider, get it transferred to postpaid, and it should be in the name of your business, exactly what you have mentioned on your Google business profile, and the same address, guys. It should be there. And the invoice that you received, the first invoice that you received, will act as a sure shot proof to get your number approved. This is the most confirm way you can get your number approved very fast, guys. There can be other ways also. I don't say that those don't work, but this will be a quickest way, guys. Next is, guys, you can get a utility bill with your business name and address, like broadband internet bill or any other utility, anything you are using. It can be right where the number is also mentioned. The number should be there, guys. It can be there in the internet and broadband, and maybe on other utilities like electricity, water, you don't find it. If they can mention it, then it's very great, right? So any other document, government issued document, where the business name, address and number can be there, can be, guys, useful. If you are from India, then there is a document called MSME document that can be created. You'll find the link of that particular MSME website and the video how to create it in the description section of that video that you can follow, guys, and in the text section you will find it, and that you can follow. If you are from India, you can use that document, it is accepted, guys. But if you are from some other country, then definitely you can find out any such document. As I have told you, it should not be your letterhead or your own visiting card, or all these things don't work, or any private business document that you are getting in name of your company won't work, guys. It should be some authentic thing, some utility bill of some registered good companies, or government ID proofs or government documents, right? So this should be the proof that you have to actually get. The next thing is, guys, that I have not mentioned in this slide is, guys, you should mention that number on your signboard. If you can do that, it will be really very helpful. And click a pic of your signboard with the complete entrance visible and add it to your Google business profile before you start this appeal process that I'll be sharing just now with you. Now, guys, we will file an appeal, and you'll get this link, as you can see on the slide, also in the description section, also on this slide also, guys. And once you try and you submit an appeal, wait for 7 to 10 days, guys. Don't haste and start replying to Google or trying to re-appealing, guys. Don't do that, guys. You should re-appeal only after 20 days, not before that. But if it's not done in 7 to 10 days, or you don't get any response, I'll tell you what to do, guys, in a complete step-by-step process. Still, if you are not able to do that, guys, then you can talk to experts. We have experts who can get it done for sure. They take the work only when they are 100% sure that they can do it, as they don't take the work at all. So it cost very nominal according to the work done, guys, but it will be done for sure if taken by our company. You can contact us on our WhatsApp support number, and there the team will definitely help you and get it resolved for you. If things are actually authentic, profile is not duplicate or not fake, guys, then definitely it can be done as per the process. Other way, as I promised you to get it done, is you can use GBPGM App's number approval tool that will guide you through everything. Wherever there is lacking in your profile or website or anywhere, it will guide you through everything. Once everything is resolved, from there only you get an appeal button and you can just go on with that appeal. Appeal will work in the same way as I'll tell you here. Rest, it will help you optimize and analyze your profile, which will be better for the profile for its ranking as well, guys. It will get fully optimized, and that is very low cost option. You can use GBPGM Apps number approval tool, as you can see on my screen. And these are the two other ways I told you. Now we'll come to the main way, step by step approval. We'll see how it can be done. So I'll show you a live profile and do it for you, guys. So guys, for that, first of all, you have to go to business.google.com, or it can be google.com/business, as you can see on the top on this URL on this particular page. Now you have to sign in with the same Gmail ID on which you have created the profile. Best if it's an admin or primary owner. If it's not, then owner or manager will also do, but you can go according to what you have, guys. So now I will sign in with that email ID. Or guys, the other way also, what you can do is you can just sign into your Gmail on your laptop or desktop, guys, like I have done. And now guys, go to these 9 dots and click on business profile manager. This also you can do. You will reach to the same place. Now I have multiple profiles on this particular email ID, so it's showing like this. If you don't have, you have a single profile, then it will directly show you the profile. So I'll just select the profile where the number update is required, and this way if you have a single profile, it will show you the profile directly as it's shown here, guys. Once your profile is open, now we'll continue with the other steps. But guys, remember that you have already edited this number on your website. I have already told you, and add it to the schema. It will be great, guys, if you do that, and you have arranged for an ownership proof, right? So now you'll go to edit profile, or you can even click this add places phone number. Anything you do, it will open the same thing. So now guys, here you must have added the number, but here again you can just do this and click on save. Now guys, you have to click on these 3 dots. You have to go to help and support, or other ways what I can directly take you to that particular link, as I told you, is already given in the slide and in the text area, so that it becomes quicker for you. So guys, this is the appeal form directly through the link I have provided to you. Here the first question is, have you already submitted a phone review request for this business profile? If you have already done, select yes. Don't fake out, guys. Do what you have done, because Google can always detect it. If you have not done, then select no. I have already done, so I'll select it yes. Again, I am trying it for the next time. Are you the official representative of the company, organization, or an account? You have to select yes, otherwise it won't be accepted. Did you read the Google business guidelines and you can ensure that your business profile and phone number is as per compliance? So I have told you what you need to make the number in compliance, so you have to go with yes only. Now you have to add the first name and last name of the owner, definitely, or you yourself, you can put your name, guys, as well. Like I'll submit my name. What is the email ID? Email ID you can get from the email ID you have logged in, guys. Name of the business, you can just directly take it from your profile. Do not use keywords or anything to promote your business on your name. It's not allowed. Your business profile can get suspended. What is your business website? So website, if you have, it's not mandatory. You can take the website link. I've taken it. I'll take it from here, copy link address, and I'll just paste it here. Where to manage your Google business profile? There are two ways, guys. If I select first one, I have to provide a URL. Where will I get the URL? I'll just tell you. Go to your profile, and this you can see these two arrows. You have to click it, and this is the link that you get. After that, this is of your profile only. You have to add this link here. This is one way. Another way, if I select, this is I manage my business directly on search maps. So you have to provide your business profile ID. This you can get it here. In this profile, you can come to these three dots again. Business profile settings, advanced settings. Do remember, guys, copy this ID, this business profile ID, and place it here. So I'll be going with business profile ID. Now guys, the next thing is the number you have to provide, that number you are actually trying to edit. I'll just take this number directly from the profile so that I don't submit a wrong number. It should be a right one. Right. Now the last and final thing is to submit the document as I told you. So I'll just select this document in the first place. If you have more than one document mentioning the number, then you can go with that. If you don't have, one is enough. Another document, what you can do is you can actually click pictures. As I told you, if the number is mentioned on your signboard, you can click the picture of your signboard, your visiting card, your brochure where the number is mentioned, and make a PDF file of all. You can combine those images in a PDF. That can be easily done on web. You can actually go to web and search for image to PDF. So it will actually ask you for multiple images that you have clicked, and you can just combine them and create a single PDF. That I have already done. So I'll choose this as a next document, just as a supportive one. It's helpful, guys. Now, do you want to update numbers for 10 or more files? You don't actually, it's not allowed also. So you have to select no. Now I have to just click on submit button. So guys, once you click on submit button, you get this case ID. Keep this case ID safe with you. It's very, very important if you need it. But in most of the cases, normally you get an email where the case ID is already mentioned. So you can still keep it with you for future reference that I'll just share with you now. If you don't get response, say if you don't get an email also, maybe because Google gets billions of emails every day, so it might be missed. It's possible, guys, it can be. So what you have to do, if you don't get a response within a week or 10 days time, I'll tell you just now. Now guys, what you have to do is you have to come to this profile again and click these three dots and go to help and support. If you don't get response, guys, in that case, see guys, you can see this same case ID that we have just submitted now is showing here. When I scroll down, it's showing here updated last 57 seconds ago, in progress. Here I'll click on contact us. In contact us, you have to select the profile first, then you have to mention number update. You can mention anything because we don't have to go with the number update thing, otherwise it will open the same form. We'll go with other and next step, then next step again, then next step again, and you'll get this email question. What you have to do is you have to select here need support for a different issue. You have to mention your name, select your relationship with the business, add your email address, again the same number, business name as your own profile, business address. What you do is come here and copy this from your business. If you have a service based profile, then it won't be asking you this like this. And again this URL that I told you how to get this URL from this particular arrow option. You can get it and place it here. your business website if it exists, describe your issue that you actually applied for, number, update, and if you can mention the date, it's very good. And you can mention the date when you applied for it, and your number is authentic. You've attached the proof, you have the number, it can be checked by Google. You can mention that. Just simple things you have to mention. Don't mention any story, just simple things that you applied for it, you don't get any response or your number got disapproved, but you have proof, you are owner of the number. You can mention everything. And the last related case ID that I asked you to save and submit it. So this is a way if your appeal is not accepted. And again, you have to wait for 10-15 days, guys, because you have to give time to Google to actually do research work on this and get back to you. So you will definitely get back with some or other email where you can start your conversation. So this is a way, guys, you can get your number approved for sure, 100% for sure. Still you are not able to get it done. I have told you two other ways, if you remember. One is our app, GBPGM app, number approval tool. Another is take services of some expert, any expert. If you want our services, we are always there for you. Our team is there for you to help you out and get your number approved. Remember, number is very, very crucial for your business. Without number update, this profile won't be of any use to you. So guys, this was how you can get your number approved. I believe you will follow this step-by-step process and soon get the number approved on your Google business profile. Do check our blog website, localseotoolsandtips.com. It will be really helpful to you for multiple ways related to your Google business profile. It's an exclusive website providing information on Google business profile growth, management, and all the issues, whatever it has. It has articles related to specific business categories also. You can go there and search it, guys. And if you have not started using our app, GBPGM app, then do start using it now, guys, because it will be really helpful to grow your business, manage your business in a very easy way. It has a number approval tool, suspension approval tool, review scanner to save your reviews from getting deleted, and whatnot, guys. Everything what you can think of to grow your Google business profile, you can find it there. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it just now, guys, because you will get such amazing content from me one after another. So I don't want that you miss that content. So subscribe it so that you get the notification on the first place. Thanks, guys, for watching this video. Start using GBPGM app and start growing your Google business profile.